Just a little added, whatever. Add safety. So there's these two bolts. These are the caliper bolts, and these are the structural bolts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you got. That's all you need. They are 17 millimeter. So I just give them a little shot, little love, and then put my arm on it. That one needs more love. Okay. I might have to get in there with the little power. You want to play tough. Okay. Got something for you. Damn. Got something for you. You want to be a tough ass. Cause a bunch of problems. You want to be a tough ass. How about that? How about that? Neighbors think I'm talking to my car. How about that? How about that, guy? Get these out of here. And we're going to do the same for this. We're going to do the same for this bad boy right here. So this guy probably wants to play hardball too. But I might not be able to get to him like I want to. Yes, so. I'm just going to keep these loose. I'm not going to take them off all the way. I definitely want to get to the bottom one. The bottom one is not going to be easy. One bolt. That one damn bolt giving me trouble. You know what? To be honest with you, we're going to try this a different way because I don't even think I need to take that thing off. Let's try it without it. Let's try this side without taking the bracket off. How about that? Okay. So let's just try to take this off without it. Looky there. I really don't even need it. I can see these brakes. They come out of their groove. Once you get them out of their groove, they just come off like that. So that's the back one. And then just wiggle them out. Let me see if I can wiggle them out. Here's the front one. So I just kind of keep them how they would be. And what you do is, so this tool bag, this caliper set, it's cool because you take any of these sizes for whatever caliper you got. Mine happens to be a 10. Okay. So when you get this, you take this, you put it through here, like that. Okay. And you have this. This is going to go on the back side right here. So just together like so. This is going to sit in there and spin. This is going to push up against the back. I'll show you. What you do with the caliper is you have this sitting. So the caliper, you have this. You want to put this, first of all, you want to put this all the way in. This needs to go all the way in. This needs to go all the way in. And then once you have it seated, okay, you put this in to where it goes. So you can, it sits in this groove, so you can go ahead and put it in that groove, and then you seat it. You seat it in that groove. So that sits in there. This is going to go back. So this is going to go, this is going to go counterclockwise. This is going to go counterclockwise. Okay? So when that goes counterclockwise, this goes clockwise. And then you twist. You twist. This goes clockwise. Just like that. And that caliper is going to go in. That's all you need it to do.
That.
You go until it stops. Go until it stops. Okay. You will know. And it is done. See that? Took like a minute, right? Loosen that up. Your caliper is seated. And I'll bleed it. I'm just showing you how to use the tool. I'll bleed the line. Anyway, let me fit the brakes in for you. So as far as the brakes go, so this was the back brake. Look at how worn it is. Okay, look at this one. Brand spanking new, right? Back brake. Let's see this apparatus. Maybe it's this one. Maybe it's better if this one goes in there. I think we got what we need. That goes in there. That goes in there. Okay. See how that is? See how it fits in there? Okay. And then for the front one, do the same thing. Just put this in here. It goes down its groove. This one will get seated in its groove. Boom. That's what you want, Jack? Look at that. Look at the old one. All worn out. Okay, now that the caliper is seated, you just put this across. Yeah, son? What's going on, turd?
No.
Put that on. And then you just put your calipers in place. Okay? Just like that. Take my gloves off. Wasted money on gloves. I'm sitting here doing it without gloves. Oh well. Sometimes it's easier to work with this stuff without gloves. You just have to pay the price.
Can we put this
We're going to have to cut it out. So this, you just tighten it down, 17 millimeter. See, on this one, we didn't even have to take the whole structure off. We just took the caliper and pulled the brakes off, which is pretty nice. So we will be pumping these brakes. I will loosen this. We'll pump the brakes, and when there's liquid comes out, the fluid, then we shut it off. So I recommend you bleed your brakes. Okay, we're gonna roll out in the road. That's that. We're just gonna tighten it up, bolt it up. I don't want to put this on the highest setting, by the way. I want like I'll finish off with a little lug nut, just to we're done, guys. Easy peasy. Take care, guys.